Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2007 Harley-Davidson XL1200 Sportster Custom. This bike has just a little over 10,000 miles and it is in excellent condition. It's got a couple of little scratches on it, but otherwise no other damage. And a lot of really cool highlights on it. So let's walk around it and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This Sportster has been converted into cafe bars with a cafe style headlight. This bike will be getting a new front tire. Here's one of the scratches I've found here on the front fork tube, but it's just cosmetic. So aftermarket levers and grips, and like I said, they went with cafe style bars on this. Aftermarket air cleaner, Reinhardt 2-in-1 pipes, we will be putting a back tire on this bike as well. Derby cover. And here's the rock chip I found. And again, grips, levers, bars. And again, the chromed lowers. And there's the mileage, 10,067 is what's on it. This killer sound and sporty will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.